In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to display a poll on your WordPress site using a simple, beginner-friendly workflow. Whether you're trying to boost engagement or collect quick feedback from your audience, adding a poll is one of the easiest ways to make your site more interactive. So let's jump right in. Before anything else, head over to wordpress.com. Make sure you have your login details ready because we'll need quick access to the site dashboard. At the top of the page, click Log In. You'll see several login methods, but for today, we're going to use Continue with Google. If your Google account is already linked to WordPress, this makes the process super smooth. Just choose the Google account connected to your WordPress site. Once you click it, you'll be logged in automatically. No extra password to remember. After logging in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Look at the right-hand panel where you'll spot the Quick Links section. Click Edit Site. This brings you into the main editing workspace where you control the design, layout, and features of your website. Now shift your focus to the top left corner of the editing interface. You'll see a button that says Add. Click it. A search bar will appear where you can browse all the blocks and elements you can place on your site. Type poll. You should now see a poll block option show up in the results. Click on poll and WordPress will instantly insert a blank poll block onto your page. From here, the fun begins. You can start customizing your poll, add your question, enter answer options, and adjust the design based on what fits your site best. Make sure the question is clear and the choices are easy to understand, so your visitors are encouraged to participate. As you place your poll block, think about where it should go. Position matters. Ideally, put your poll on a high traffic page, your homepage, a trending blog post, or anywhere your visitors naturally spend time. The more visible it is, the more responses you'll get. Once you're happy with the setup, give your poll a quick test. Click Preview to make sure everything looks clean and that the poll works correctly. If the layout appears the way you want and the options function properly, you're ready for the final step. Hit Publish to make your poll live for the world to see. And that's it. Your poll is officially displayed on your WordPress site. It's a simple addition, but it makes a big difference in how your audience interacts with your content. Polls help you collect opinions, spark conversations, and improve your site's overall user experience. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.